Hey guys, if you've been following me on Instagram, then you'll know that I hate phone cases. I think they ruin the feel of a phone, and I've just never liked them until now. Well, really it's because the iPhone X is very slippery. So I bought some cases for the grip more than anything, but only one has impressed me. Can you guess which one? First up, I wanted a custom case, so I designed one on Photoshop and I ordered it on Zazzle. It cost £20. I waited 3 weeks for it to arrive, and this was the result. It looks awesome if I do say so myself, but sadly it doesn't cover the top or the bottom of the iPhone, which I really don't like. It makes the front view look terrible. You'll also notice that the white on the inside is visible, which sucks, and the print isn't perfect. The back is perfection, but the sides aren't even black, they're navy, and the quality is just, well, bad. I wasn't happy at all, but fortunately it was offered a refund. I really wanted my own custom case, so I thought I'd try one out from eBay for £3.94. Cheap, I know. It covers all four sides, which is great, but it seems to have an orange tint to it, so the black doesn't really look black. Looking around for a custom case from the UK that covers all four sides and prints edge to edge proved to be quite difficult, so I gave up. Back to simple cases it was. Instead, I opted for a nice ultra slim cheap red case off eBay. The colour is beautiful and it's super flexible and soft, so there's no chance I'll scratch the iPhone. It has all the cuts you'd expect, but I found I had to really press on the volume buttons to activate them, which wasn't too ideal. Yeah, I'm fussy, but hey ho. Everyone loves carbon fibre, right? You can't go wrong with it, so I bought this silicone case for 99p. Cheap and cheerful. It looks good and feels good, but it is just a little bulky on the sides. I still love how it looks though. But the best one has to be this luxury ultra thin acrylic hardback case. It costs just £3.49 and it's stunning. It has all the necessary cutouts and it's actually ultra slim, which I love. It adds almost no bulk to the iPhone X. It's most definitely the best iPhone X case I've come across, and it serves the purpose of looking good and providing that grip that I need. If you want a case for protection against falls, then you'll probably want a bulky case, but all I need is aesthetics and grip, and this case has just that. See, not all good things have to cost stupid amounts. Links to all these cases are in the description below. Now over to you guys. What do you think of these cases? Do you prefer to go caseless or rock an ultra slim case, or are you more of a bulky case to prevent them drops kind of person? Be sure to drop a comment, subscribe for more tech content, and thanks for watching.